quickly get on to Mamba Effects. Store. Oh, it has been canceled. Mamba Effects just had a baby. But to be honest, I think I've learned everything there is to really learn. Let's look here. We've already kind of got our levels here. We got 2 minutes, 48. 2 minutes, 43 seconds. So market opens. I'm looking, it's probably going to break out to the upside. Maybe that's to go to here. It says 40 points. And this level is still kind of stable, that I might adjust to here. Oh. 2 minutes. Oh. I think I'm going to try 2 contracts today. On 1 hour, got a 1 hour reversal signal, but we are still okay. We got 58 seconds. Looks like it wants to go up. 9 seconds. Definitely below this level here. I'm gonna push.
Order filled.
Okay, complete reversal. Let's see what's happening. Should have waited for the retest of that upside, but it looks like it might go, might break above it. Squeeze are topping down pretty hard. We're testing that level. We're down 88 bucks. Let's see what it wants to do. This may be take to the top and then retake the top. My 1 hour has flipped, so that I like, but it's still got 30 seconds and it's already whipped down. I'm hanging there to the upside. Look at my targets at 56. Maybe do 55. I'm kind of playing around in this zone. maybe a little early, but it did really push to the upside. But I think I should have waited till it it broke above this, pulled back, and then broke above. So we'll see what happens. 1 hour still looking pretty strong. Did kind of reject off of the level. And down how many points? Only like 6 points at this point. I'm doing more leverage because I have been successful the last few days. This is kind of crazy. We had a crazy day yesterday, and it might be more of the same. Okay, it's a good sign there. 7 seconds left on this candle. On this 1 hour. You're already broken the previous volume of this candle. Oh, heading down now. Took a low. Let's look on. We got this level to see if it wants to reject, but I'm already down $100. I'm gonna hold on as long as our 1 hour stays. So 26 minutes. It is pushing back up now in a big way like that. Think kind of equal top to that recent top wick. Now it's pushing down again. Where are you going?
I pick up you.
What is it?
The uniform at Lamborghini.
What?
Hmm?
You have a uniform there?
No, uniform dance for Laura.
Oh.
From Michael at Lamborghini, working there.
Oh, okay. The umbrella?
Yeah, but I don't know.
You're kind of getting supported. We are flirting with this top range that I had marked out. Probably should have waited. It says sell today. This still holding strong. I mean, it's looking like it's making moves up now, so let's see what it wants to do at this high. Pretty strong minute bull candles, which not strong, but 3 in a row. Okay, I'll push it back down again. 23 minutes left on this. Candle needs to kind of close strong. This is a little bit of continuation, but the next candle could reverse on us, so I want to be mindful of the 1 hour. Bit premature, but it did kind of have like a fake out. I mean, I saw it, but I think I needed to see it reconfirmed by going above the level again. And we're kind of making moves up. We're above our initial kind of entry signal level. EMA or RSI is kind of trending down, but it's still on the green side. RSI, we're kind of supported by the EMA. Another big push down. Don't like that. Okay, RSI is green now. I will get in a risk-free trade probably as soon as possible. I want to see where my potential, maybe this is a big profit partial. Maybe partials. I'll do partials. The partial could be 2.8. Another tweezer top in 1 minute. Don't like that. EMA is trending up, kind of midway between this overall downward trend here, and we are trying to battle against this contact zone here. Uh-oh. Starting to turn. We still got 21 minutes left on this hour candle. Let's see what happens. Still trending upwards. We're in this upward trend here. Could range in between these two zones today. Okay, I'm making a big push down now. Big push down. I don't like that. 20 minutes left on this 1 hour. Get some support down here. See if it blasts through it or not. Kind of wicking back up again. Overall, got some good bullish signals as far as my reversals. Okay, big push down. Down 120 bucks. Trying not to sweat it, but big lift down. We still got 20 minutes left on this. A lot of room to work, actually. We need to be pushing up. Kind of a big push down. Not liking that. Big tweezer top down. We had a fake out to the bottom, or to the top. Might have another fake out to the bottom. Big tweezer top. Still kind of above the midline of this range, though. Okay, we did. It's kind of a break and retest, to be honest with you. We broke out, we're retesting. can see what these smaller time frame candles are doing. This is actually a pretty strong break and retest signal to the upside. We're rejecting off this midline of the opening 15-minute range. We've not closed below it, we've wicked into it. Now we've got a bullish candle wicking into it, and then on the 5-minute we are wicking pretty heavy away from it. It's still got 3 minutes to close on this candle. Tweezer bottoming on the 1 minute, so still might be hope. Let's see what our fair value gaps are. Let me see. I don't really see any. Okay, might make a fair value gap. If we continue pushing strong here, this might make us a good 1 minute fair value gap. And if we push above this high here, we could have a strong. We could make a 5-minute fair value gap to the upside. This would be a make or break here, so we want to see it keep pushing. We got some partials here. If we push above, that basically nice. If it breaks this resistance level, I'd say we got kind of strong momentum going up. Above the EMA, RSI is on the green side. Hopefully it continues. It's kind of leveling off. Let's break this high here. It'd be nice. It's not tweezer top again, then we'll be making kind of lower lows, lower highs at that point. We broke above this one, this high, that high. Getting wick down. Still got the fight. 1 hour is looking much better now. 15 minutes to close. Still at this contact zone of, are we going to break through it, or are we going to just get stuffed? Looking better now. Okay. We can break this high. I'd say we got good probability going up. Our 1 hour burst looking good. Green. Okay, we broke that level. Let's see it continue now. We're going to fake out again. Okay, let's see it move now. Got a lot of good. Okay, greens are buying. Greens are buying. Looking pretty good now. I don't know if I want to stop loss break even yet or not. Might come down another higher low maybe. Got some cells up there, which we're kind of breaking above this contact zone, but we need to see it break again above that. Looking down on the 5-minute, but we made a fair value gap. Break this high, and I think we're off on the races here. Okay, let's go. Let's break this high, baby. Got some green, got some buys here. Buys with all these aggressive sells down here, we could break through, and then all these. We'll get the buys at the top of this one. If we break through, then the buys will get stopped out, or the cells will get stopped out, hopefully. We got 14 minutes left on our hour candle, but it's looking strong now. Okay, good deal. Good deal. Let's keep moving. We got some fair value gaps now on the 5-minute, being respected so far. Never say anything, because as soon as you say something, it reverses on you. Okay, so we're making moves. Looks like we could be hitting one take profit at some point. Let me see if we got any other. I mean, you got some levels to break through here. When we broke through before, we pulled back, and then we broke through, kind of pulled back again. So I think we're going to take our first profit at least. In full transparency, last night or yesterday, after a really good day, I was up 250 with some questionable trades. I ended up, after a big move up, I thought, well, maybe it'll keep going up. I got in a trade, no setup, no analysis, just looking reactive to the charts, and got in a losing trade, doubled down into infinity, and basically blew the account. So I'm giving myself a pass on this paper trade here. And I'm going to try to catch myself from doing that. I want to stay focused on this opening range. It's the highest probability. That's what I realized. If I do take some sort of post breakout trade, I want to look at only those consolidation zone breakouts with the same concept as the opening range, but maybe with less decisiveness, less volume, and less reach. So ultimately, I think we want to focus on these because this has that big span. This is like, it's better to make 2 trades on here than take another trade with less probability. So this is the place to take a trade, is the opening range. I guess it's considered more volatility, but if you respect these ranges, if I go, okay, I've identified this range support and resistance. If I break below here, I'm out of the trade because that's a clear breakout level. And so if I kind of stay strong in that regard, then I think I'll do well over time. And then I think also I want to keep letting things play out to their finality, because I've been right as far as my take profit placement, but I've kind of been in and out, and I don't want to get in that habit. I want to just mark my levels, let it play out. Today I'm not even trying to go to this zone up here. I just want to, this is a level that I had marked out previously. I didn't even look to adjust that level. We got some support there, support there. It's not, could be more like this. So 5-0 on the next one might be more reasonable. Do something like this. I'm doing 2 contracts today as opposed to 1 contract, and so far it's paying off. And I think that's one thing I've been anxious about, is the time it takes to get to a level that I perceive that is a good return on the time. So if I'm making 150 a day, yes, that's good, and if I'm consistently doing that, that's great. But it doesn't, my win rate does not seem to reflect my loss potential. My loss potential seems to always outweigh my win potential, because I could tank account by doubling down. And so I did decide I wanted to get back to this, or get to a, so we're gonna do we're stop loss at break even now. If it comes all the way back down, so be it. But I don't want to enter now. I'm gonna put $100. I think it'll keep going. This is gonna hit, probably take profit pretty soon for this first one. I could consider getting out, but I think this is a reasonable target. This 5-0. First take profit looks like it's gonna get hit, unless this is a total tweezer top. So getting off to a good start, securing profit maybe with the two contracts. That is something to secure a little bit of profit. Tweezer top it at that level. It's not a bad level. Let's see what level. 743. I'm not even at that target on the 5 minute. Got a lot of green. Kind of serious tweezer top, but I think Mamba does. He does kind of play it by ear. He'll get out of a trade if it's turning around on him. I guess if we invert a fair value gap or something. We have 2 5-minute fair value gaps. Kind of a tweezer top though. I'm gonna let it play out. Would have been nice though. 147 would be a solid day in and of itself on a normal one contract breakout. A lot of sells. I think the other thing I could keep in mind if I am, I could be looking at these sells. So aggressive sells kind of getting absorbed here, battling it out. And push back up. It will make a bearish 1 minute fair value gap. If okay, good. We've kind of omitted that. We've got a teeny tiny one here. Teeny tiny one. Let's see if it gets respected or disrespected. Okay, nice. Looks like we'll go up and take level 1 here. So on 1 hour, still 6 minutes left to close on this, and we're closing quite strong. 6 minutes to go. And I think I do want to make sure I'm taking one trade and out. I want to be taking one trade and out. Looking down, not liking that. Still 5 minutes on this 1 hour candle. Pushing up again. 5.5 minutes on our 1 hour. Nice strong push. We did have a reversal off of this one. I believe this one was 36 and this one is 163. So we kind of reversed and then we reversed off of that reversal. Healthy pullback. Looking fairly strong. This one will tell, I think, a big story. Okay, we kind of got some equal lows thing going on here. On this 1 minute like mini consolidation. Okay, that looks good. If I think if it breaks TP1, then it's going to keep going to TP2. There's 1 minute. It's kind of like Stalling momentum is stalled. We'll keep making moves up. RSI is pretty green right now. I guess it's really battling it out. RSI is starting to dip. We're still in the green zone. Making a bearish candle. 21 minutes left on this one candle. Bodies are closing lower than the previous body. A lot of bullish signals. I mean, everything looks to be bullish. Market structures bullish, I think, on most time frames. Bullish. Kind of ranging around here though. Kind of makes you want to get out of the range because it's going to break out one way or the other. And we're just hoping it breaks out to the upside. 2 minutes left on this 1 hour candle. Closing strong. This could be the tippy top of it. Still kind of gapping above. One minute 49 left on this 1 hour candle. Still creeping up. It could be some sort of fake out again. Hopefully it fakes out and takes the first profit at least. One minute 25 seconds left on this candle. We could see a big breakout and then fake out to the bottom and then go back up. I mean, it's really kind of any man's game at this moment. Momentum's picking back up. RSI is starting to go down, but it's still in the green. Okay, this looks like it's gonna make it down. We're above the EMA. Creeping up, 3 candles. Full candles. We're gonna take first profit. Boom. I like that. Took the level. Let's see if we reverse. I could maybe. Okay. 21 seconds. We're closing pretty strong with this 1 hour candle. So I'm feeling like it's going to go and take our second take profit. We just topping. Okay, shooting down. Big fair value gap, 1 hour fair value gap. We got 29 minutes. Oh, that's 30 minutes. Let's see. 1 hour just closed. Makes sense. We'll wick down a little bit before going back up. Got some sells there. 1 hour is selling. 2 hour probably a sell as well. Gonna pull back a little bit most likely. .30-minute. Pushing up strong. Everybody got respected there on the 1 minute. I'd like to make another one. Got 51 seconds. If we close strong on this one, we might make another one. Struggling at the top there. Let's see what our. Okay, we got some cells banging in. I think I'm gonna get out.
Order
I'm out.
filled.
227 is pretty solid. I think we're getting. This is too choppy here. I mean, it might continue up, but it's starting to kind of round off. I took my first take profit. I was 2 contracts. I'm okay with that. I think it's a solid day for the most part. We did from our entry 714. $25 points with 2 contracts. I think that's pretty good. It's not bad. It's not bad. Kind of like maybe still going up, but the 1 hour does want to come down. We are making bullish candle. I'm going back in. I wanted to stay in 4.9. I think I had 4.9 was my level, but it's going down. Check. 4.9 was my level. I'm gonna stay strong. See if it holds out. 1 contract. Down $10. There we go. Looking up, that's a good sign. No fair value gap, that's a good sign. EMA is green. Or EMA above EMA, green RSI. We got greens filling and cells. Kind of still choppy. I don't know. That's what I don't like about it. Still kind of choppy. Nice push up though. I like that. Towards the bottom. Close strong on this. We could get a nice shot. Because I have been getting out early. Getting a little scared getting out early. And missing out on quite a bit. I kind of actually got in by maybe a quarter of a tick early. I want to get to my take profit. We just made this fair value gap. We're kind of respecting it so far. Nice, I like that. Greens filling in here, some green, aggressive greens. We do have aggressive sells, but I like the greens. Big push down, I don't like that. I'm gonna stay in 1 contract. I don't want to double down. I doubled down. It's every time I blow my account, it's because I've doubled down. It's the one time it doesn't work or something, or I just doubled down to affinity. Yesterday there was no chance it was coming back on the trade I took. So if I do that technique, I gotta figure out a good exit strategy. But I think I'm not gonna do that. I need to give that up. I don't want the muscle memory of doubling down like that. And I have set my max loss, daily loss on my Trade-of-8 to $300, and then I've maxed out my max contract size for 3 contracts. So I think We're kind of making lower highs, lower lows now. I should probably get out of it. We're pushing up there. 33 seconds left. 53 minutes on the 1 hour. We are wicking down. We're kind of above. The body is above. We've wicked out of this. We're kind of respecting it and now moving up. We have a trajectory up. But we are kind of rounding our top in a consolidation period here. I could do a risk-free. If it goes back above maybe. If we make a big move up, I'll put in a risk-free. Okay, we're making a big move down. Okay, big move down. We thought it might happen. Fair value gap to the downside. Let's see what the next candle does. Coming down. Forceful sell-offs here. We get aggressive sells. 2 bearish candles. We're down 25 bucks. Eating into our profits. But we're going to stay strong. We're basically in the same spot we were. We'd have to come down all the way. And I think we'd still be in profit. Because we... okay. It's still risk-free at this point. All right, so it's risk-free, down 32 bucks, 64. So it'll still be a solid trade, even if it doesn't go back up. So our buy-in was 1.5, yeah. I'm okay with that. We don't really want to be going down like this. $1.23. So I'll still be about 150 on the day if it doesn't want to go up again. I should kind of maybe, well, let's see. If I would have done like a 50-50 on that 2.749, just 12 points down, do 2.5. Could do my stop loss there. I'm gonna let it run out. I actually got out. My instinct, look at that. My instinct was to get out, and I got out at the right time. So, here's what it is. Okay, I think I'm going to call it quits because this is my last trade of the day.
I've been feeling that you really love me, you like me. Romanticism haunts me. So if you're feeling something, then what are you? She pushed and she pulled me.